Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tech Trivia. I'm Siddharth and this is episode 5 of Put Your Skills into Practice video series. If you missed out all other 4 episodes, don't worry, I'm going to give the link in the description in this video. In this episode, we are going to learn flow with 2 different case studies. Here is a case study 1. Genwat wants to format the opportunity name in such a way so that the name itself has an account name which it is related to and also the month and the year from the close date. So that helps management to review all opportunities in the list view or reports, and just the name gives information about the accounts and the close date month and year. So opportunity name is a standard field. We will add a flow that updates the opportunity name as per the requirement. So here we go. So once you log in Salesforce, click on the gear icon at top right corner and select setup. In quick find, search for flows and then select flows. Click on the new flow button at top right corner. So select record trigger flow and then click create. In object, select opportunity. In configure trigger, select first option, a record is created, because Genwat would like to format the opportunity name just when records are created. Later, the user can set a name the way he or she wants. So just select the first option, a record is created. In set entry conditions, choose all conditions are met option and then search for a field that is account ID. In operator, select does not equal and in the last option, choose global constant empty string. So basically, we are checking that there is an account on the opportunity. Select fast field updates as we wanted to update the same record that triggers the flow, and then click done. Cool. Now next thing is add an action. So click on the plus icon here and select update triggering record. Label should be format of the name and set filter condition leave as none. So always update the record, and in the field search for name and then in value there is an option to create a new resource. Click on that new resource with the plus sign. We are going to build a formula to format the opportunity name. So resource type will be formula. AP name will be formatted of the name. Opti is basically the shorter form of opportunity. Data type is text. So first thing we're gonna include is the opportunity name. So we're gonna go to record, then name, and that's what we want to include in the formula. After that, we're gonna add concatenate operator. In double quotes, we're gonna add hyphen. That's how we want to join opportunity name with an account name. and again add concatenate operator, and now click on insert resource option and start with record, then account, and then select name. So that's basically account name. Everything looks good. Select an operator, select concatenate, and again in double quotes, between the double quotes, add a hyphen. And at the end, again add concatenate, and we're going to add a function here. So search for text function. Then we're going to use one other function is month. So month function has a parameter called date. We're going to replace it with opportunity close date. And again, we're going to add concatenate operator, double quotes, and this time we're going to add a slash because we're going to append the year after this. So concatenate, and then add a text function. Then let's add a year function, and then uh, pass the close date, pass opportunity close date in the parameter. So search for opportunity and close date. All right, let's click on check syntax, and everything is valid. I'm going to also add this formula in the description of this video, so you guys simply copy paste from there. All right, so what we are doing is we are keeping opportunity name, and then we are joining the account name with an hyphen between, and then we are again adding a hyphen, and we use the text function because the month function returns a number. So we want to join that number value with other text values in that field, in opportunity name field. So we need to convert the number into a text, and that's why you use the text function. And then using the month function, we are extracting the month from the close date field. And then the last part is we are also converting the year of close date by using the text function. And year function simply extracts the year, that's a number, from the close date. And because we want to just join everything in a text field, and therefore we converted all the number values into text, right? And we are updating opportunity name field. Click done, and then click done. After that, click on the save, flow label, format, opti, up, format, opti name, click save, and make sure the flow is activated. So hit activate button. Great. So now we want to test it. You simply click on the back arrow here, and then click on the app launcher and search for opportunity option. Select opportunities, and then create a new opportunity by hitting the new button. You see this option because we implemented the record types in the previous episode. And if you missed that episode, I'm going to give the link in the I button here. Click on the next. Give a name like test flow opportunity. Use a future close date add a stage value, maybe qualification, and you need to ensure that there is an account that you are associating on this opportunity. So it will meet the flow criteria. Yeah, search for Salesforce, select it, and then click Save. After saving it, verify the opportunity name. You notice that it's the name of opportunity that you've given, hyphen, then the account name, hyphen, the month from the close date, and the year from the close date. All right, sounds great. So it's working as per the requirement. So let's talk about the next case study. Genwatt, a generator manufacturing company, is facing an issue that the sales users are not closing opportunities by the given close date. So the company wants to send reminder emails before 7 days from the close date. So this can easily be done by Flow. You can schedule an email alert that to be sent before 7 days from the close date. So we are going to implement the entire functionality in three parts. One, we'll be adding an email template. Two, we'll be creating an email alert action. And three, we'll create a flow that will reference to that email alert. So without any further delays, let's begin. So once you log in Salesforce, at top right corner, click on the gear icon, select Setup, and in the quick find, search for email template, and then click Classic Email Templates. So the first thing is we're gonna create an email template. In email template, we're gonna add a few merge fields as well. Now, what are the merge fields? So merge fields are the kind of tokens that we include in our email template. So when an email is sent from the system, merge fields are converted into values, right? So we'll see in a minute. So click on the new template. We're gonna create the text type email template. So continue with text and then hit next. So first thing is make sure you check available for use checkbox. Email template name will be close date reminder. Subject, just write you have an open opportunity with approaching close date. In email body, just type hi, then comma, and then just copy and paste the same statement. Please make sure the close date is correct. Now we're going to add a few opportunity fields so that the user understands which record we are referencing in this email. So name, amount, stage, close date. For more details, please visit and then last is the signature. These are the static contents. That means the text remains the same whenever the email is sent from the system. But now we're going to add the merge fields. So there is a drop down on the top that says contact fields. Change it to opportunity fields. And once you select opportunity fields, the second drop down displays all of the fields of opportunity object. In the second drop down, select owner first name, and there is the box below the second drop down that says copy and paste the merge field values in your template. So it is selected already, so simply you just copy, and in your email body after hi, paste it. Similarly, you're gonna add like opportunity name, amount, stage, and close date fields. So just change the second drop down and select those fields, copy the merge field name. Opportunity name, copy that, leave a space, paste it after the name. Amount, copy, after colon a space, paste it. Then stage, copy, after stage colon space, paste it. And then final is close date. Copy that after colon space and paste close date. And then in the second drop down, there is a field called detail link. Select detail link, copy that, and then for more details, please visit, paste that detail link after that. And you notice that all the merge fields are beginning with the curly brace, exclamation, and opportunity word. All right, and this is a system generated email, right? It is an automated email, so we're gonna print the company name as a part of the signature. So you need to change the first drop down from opportunity fields to organization fields. And then in the second drop down, select name, copy that, and after paste over there. All right, sounds great. Now I'm gonna share this email template content in the description of this video. So you just copy paste from there. Click on the save. Great. So first part is completed. Now the second part of the exercise is to create an email alert. So in the left side, just search for email alert and then click on email alerts. If you see a box like this, simply click on continue and click on the new email alert button. Okay, the description will be close date reminder. Object will be opportunity and the email template is the one that we just created. And we use the name close date reminder, the same name that we are using on the email alert. Select it, recipient type. So basically it will be honor of opportunity. So select honor and then opportunity honor, select it and using the add arrow, take it right inside. Save it. So that's completes the second part of the exercise. Now let's add the final piece of the functionality, and that is create a flow. So search for flows and then click on flows, click on the new flow button. On this page, select record triggered flow and then hit create. Great. Now object will be opportunity, configure trigger, So select the third option. A record is created or updated. Set enter conditions. Select all conditions are met. So basically you want to verify that opportunity is not closed, right? Because then we don't want to send the reminder. So select closed or is closed is the field API name equals global constant false. That means it is not closed, right? It's an open opportunity. And then in the radio buttons below, select the second option only when a record is updated to meet the condition requirements. So last option, the optimize the flow should be actions and related records option. Click done. All right, now you need to click a schedule path. So there's an option add schedule paths. Click on that. Path label 7 days before close date. Time source. Now you'll see all of the date or date time fields of opportunity object. You need to choose close date, offset, add 7 as a number, and offset option is 7 days before. And we are good. Click on done. Now you see there are two parts. One is run immediately, another one is 7 days before close date. So there is a plus sign below 7 days before close date. Click on the plus sign because we want to trigger the action as per that scheduler. And then there is an option send email alert. Click on send email alert. And if you click on the action, you'll see the one that we just created a while ago, close date reminder. Select it, give a label, give the same label, close date reminder. All right, record ID. So you need to make sure you are setting up opportunity ID as the record ID so that the merge fields are converted into the values when the email is sent. So select record and then just type ID, and that's what you have to select, right? It's record.id. And then click on done. Click on the save. Flow label should be close date reminder, and then click save, and then click activate to, and then click activate to see the things in action. Great. Now we want to test it. So in order to test the flow, we need to create a new opportunity, and then we're gonna verify whether there is a schedule action, a schedule email alert for that opportunity or not. So click on that, the back arrow key, then click on the app launcher and then search for opportunities. And then I'm gonna create a new opportunity. So click on that arrow in the tab and choose new opportunity. I'm continue. I'm going to continue with B2B sales. So clicking on next. All right. So once you see this page, make sure you fill out all the required fields. So that's opportunity name. So test opti one, and there is a close date. Give a close date that is like 8 days. 8 days after today. So I'm selecting let's say 16th of March. In the stage field, you need to make sure you are not selecting the closed won or closed lost, but any other value. So select qualification, and there is a amount field that is not required, but because we are using in the email template, so maybe you can give a value over there so that you can see that value is printed in your email when you receive that. So, yep, I think that is it. Click on the save, and we are expecting an email alert is scheduled. Now, how we can verify whether it is scheduled or not? So simple, you can click gear icon at the top right corner, then setup. In quick find, you can just type time-based workflow, and once you click on the time-based workflow, you will be able to just search. So select object, contents, and then type OPP, click search, and you notice the one that we just created a new opportunity that is scheduled here, and the schedule date is of tomorrow. And yeah, so it's working. So tomorrow I'm gonna get this email, and in the next episode I'm gonna show you that email text as well. Okay, so I think that is it for today. uh, Thank you so much for watching, and if you are really enjoying the contents, then please like it and share with as many people as you can. And if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe to it and also hit the bell icon. I'll see you on next Saturday with a new topic. Happy learning!